Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your AirDrop name. So basically when you want to send something or you want to receive something through AirDrop and you want to change your name, it's pretty simple how you can do this. As you can see, when I went here on AirDrop, on general settings, there's no option to change the name. Also guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. And now, if you want to change the AirDrop name, you actually just have to go to your settings right here. Then you're going to go on General, and then you're going to click About. And right here, as you can see, there's Name, iPhone 13, for example. So you'll want to click on that name. And as you can see, you can rename it and basically change the name. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.